Welcome to Dan ARG YouTube. Comrade Stanley Usaze Usakwunokwudi talk about Obaseki campaign so far. He also talked about Ushomole visit to Abuja yesterday. You know, say Ushomole don't go Abuja, go meet with President Muhammadu Buhari. So now those things now Comrade Stanley Usaze want to talk about now for this video. So enjoy the video.
A very great good morning to ever-conscious Edo people worldwide. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Usaze Usakwunokwudi. Yes, I actually promised to come out by 8:30 this morning, but due to some unforeseen occurrence that is above my control, I said I came out late, and I have to first of all start by tendering an unreserved apology for keeping most respected personalities around the world waiting. Yes, it's the 2 Edo Central campaign for Governor Godwin Obaseki. So today we are going to look at the campaign so far in focus, what we've achieved and what is remaining, and the actions of some political desperados who are hell-bent on creating mayhem and unleashing terror on the good people of Edo State. The desperation of one man who believes that he is everybody will still be in focus. Usage Izeyamu will be in focus in our overall discussion today this morning. Please, I will urge you and I beg you to please share this video and invite your friend. Give me the opportunity to please share this video and invite your friends. Yes, as of today, if you move around the 3 senatorial district of Edo State, you agree to the fact that openly the people are strongly in support of Governor Godwin Obaseki. It was because of this that Oshomole ran to Abuja yesterday to go and meet with the president. The president told him point blank, allow the will of the people to prevail in Edo State. You know, Oshomole was thinking, Oshomole is not a man that believes in the old philosophy of one man, one vote, one woman, one vote, one girl, one vote, one boy, one vote, which he happens to be an advocate of in the past. We all knew what he did when he was the national chairman of the All Progressive Congress. He was busy rigging election. He was busy rigging elections. He never knew that President Muhammadu Buhari would not support his views and opinion. Buhari told him yesterday, allow the will of the people to prevail in Edo State. A man like Oshomole, who openly came out to threaten violence against the people of Edo, already knew that there is no way he can win these elections for Izeyamu. He's running her tasket. It's so painful that Izeyamu has allowed himself to be used by Oshomole. Because Oshomole today is not drowning alone. Politically, he's going to ensure that he's going to drown with Osage Izeyamu alongside with himself. Osage Izeyamu was a very good, calculative politician. Even Oshomole fears him. That was why Oshomole was able to open the secret in respect to his criminality and otherwise, according to Oshomole. Oshomole fears Izeyamu a lot. But Izeyamu stooped so low to allow a man who baited him with insult from the beginning to the end. He now allowed himself to be used by this same man, all in a bid to satisfy the quest of there is no permanent friend and no permanent enemy in politics. What is permanent is interest. We know interest is permanent, but integrity is paramount. Integrity is sacrosanct. If you threw your integrity into the backwater of political or economic decadence, you have yourself to blame. As of today, it is quite obvious. You look at the mammoth crowd, the turnout. People are running here and there, familiarizing, solidarizing. This is not because Obaseki is handsome or beautiful or ugly, as the case may be. This is because of the fact that his workings has been able to show to the entire world that true governance is in existence in Edo State. I would like to show you some classical example so that you know exactly what we are talking about. You know, I told you before now that they can never be bold enough to engage in word-to-word rally. They can't campaign, they can't do it. But as we speak, I want to quickly show you a reflection. This is Governor Obaseki moving in Ward 6. You see for yourself. You can hear the masses shouting. So this is not time for us to sell wrong information. Now, do you know the beautiful part? When Izayamu goes to campaign with Oshomuli, they distribute 3,000 naira per person to be there. But do you know the difference between what is obtainable under the tutelage of the Obaseki administration and Obaseki campaign? People are ready to wait morning till evening. Now let me give you a classical example. As at yesterday, we went to Ugboha. People who were at Ango 90 were waiting for us in Ubiaja. And we are supposed to first of all reach Ango 90 before Ugboha. But because the movement, there was a little hiccup somewhere. So we say, okay, let us just start with the Ugboha. Do you know that those places in Ubiaja, Ango 90 specifically, they sat, they waited and waited and waited till the governor arrived. That is love. Nobody was giving a dime to do this. But the truth is, I have moved in Edo North. I am now moving in Edo Central. I am studying the political situation. But let's not deceive ourselves. Give this to the people of Edo Central. Give this to the people of Edo Central. I have my reasons. These people are united in one resolve. Look at what they are enough. Their energy is working in line with the views and opinion of the overall majority. You see the video when I see that day, when they for mess Adam Oshomole up, na short part when I see. They tell them say shut up the driver. The driver. Susu, leave. Susu, leave. Away. They drove him away. Yesterday, a video circulated on social media where Adam Oshomole was saying, arrest them. Arrest them. They make a station for animal. Are you bigger than the saying arrest Adam Oshomole? That is all he's doing. Desperation. They not beat you. They not fight you. They campaign their own. You they campaign your own. You say you want to go 30. They say they not go agree. Is that enough reason for you to plan to arrest them? Is that enough reason for you to arrest them? Yes, oh yeah. Esan oye. Esan oye. Esan oye. I so much celebrate you people because it is not easy. I repeat, I have never seen this kind of political awakening. If you like, you give them the money. You bring 100 million, 500 million. If it is money to buy people, Oshomole for fee buy. But the truth is, the people of Esa land cannot be bought. If money is everything, those traditional rulers will drive Oshomole for not driving. By this kind of time, each of them going to use brand new 2019 Lexus. Each of them going to use brand new 2019 Lexus. By now, or even 2020 Lexus. If to say the agree made them buy them. If to say they agree, may they buy them. But they refuse to be bought. Adam Oshomole today is the most desperate man. He is going to sink politically, whether you like it or not. That is the truth. When you see somebody like him, they show you desperation. Dress for them. Because now who he with a one sink politically defend, run for them. It's so painful that is a yamu allow himself to be used by Oshomole. The Benin-based billionaire where everybody be the respect, he don't turn to object of ridicule in the heart and mind of every Edo citizen, or because he want to align with Oshomole. This same Oshomole openly bring that Benin-based billionaire, insult him from up to back, open the corruption where they gotta do for airport road. Do you know the funniest thing? Oshomole's followers see him as a god. They see him as a god. They believe he know they lose fight. But they forget in history, when Oshomole went to Bayelsa State, one go conduct primaries, the smuggle and run comot. They are general. The smuggle now run comot. The smuggler run comot. But many of these people, they could forget history. He said, Yamu Opuli tell us, say, Oshomole, he said, sorry to say, quote him, not be me. I need to go find the video. He said, Ubi Mumu, now the member shout Oshomole. Ubi Mumu, member shout Oshomole. He said, Oshomole will go to and in this house to go and beg in the night. During the day, he will do the same thing that he's begging for. During the day, Oshomole will do the same thing that he was begging for in the night. He said nobody should take Oshomole serious. After that, Isayamuna said Oshomole received the sum of 1.4 trillion naira in 8 years, which is the highest and the most largest ever resources received by government from Midwest State to Bende State down to Edo State. Under Oshomole regime, we witnessed oil boom. Oil boom. Nigeria was selling oil at a cost of about $150 to $160 per barrel. Excess crude fund was coming into Edo State as at when due. Ecological funds were available. money coming out from everywhere, to an extent that Oshomole never cares about the IGRO. IGRO was now ceded to some outlaw elements who now have money counting machines in their various offices. No educational backgrounds, no job or work history, no informal training, but the whole of them have ended up becoming billionaires. In spite of this huge amount of resources that gets into the state under Oshomole, as attested to by Izeyamo, Oshomole openly indebted the state to a tune of about 60 billion plus, if I'm not mistaken. I will not quote this. Don't accept this figure. I'm going to verify this figure and give you a more verified fact. In spite of this huge amount of resources that got into the state, according to Izeyamo, 1.4 trillion, Oshomole ended up borrowing more money into the state. That is why today the house of Oshomole in Abuja defeats that of the president. Oshomole's house in Aso Drive defeats the house of Mr. President. Oshomole's house in Iyamu defeats the house of any other governor that have ruled in Edo State. The one in Iyamu in his village. Not to talk of the one in Okoroton in GRA Benin. As a governor, where did it work? He is very quick to run to court to prevent governments and institutions from checking him. That is why at times I will commend Emmanuel S. Aigbogun for petitioning Adamu Oshomole in 2013 to 14. Himself, the likes of Kola Edokbayi and one Echi. The Echi is a clergyman. To date, the petition is there. Nobody has looked into such petition. I begin to wonder again. Those who petitioned him in respect to corruption, those who continue to protest against him in respect to the corruption in the Benin Specialist Hospital, turned around to support him. Well, we don't know the reason behind such, but maybe when time comes, they will tell us. Let's leave that aside. But I must commend them for petitioning Oshomole in respect of corruption. Please share this video. Click your share button, please. Share this video and invite your friend. Please click your share. Now, as of today, Oshomole openly came out to say, I sold a bad product. The question is, between Oshomole and Obaseki, who is a bad product? Oshomole only lived in pretense. Now, people talk about Itad rules, which is true, without creating a single employment, which is true. Now the question is the amount of development provided by Adamu Oshomole commensurable with the amount of resources received by the Oshomole administration? The answer is no. Oshomole tarred a single kilometer of road at a cost of 1 billion. Airport road given to Servitech company owned by the Benin-based billionaire. 1 billion per kilometer. The 8 kilometer of road, Benin Airport Road, 8 kilometer, was tarred at a cost of 8 billion. Whereas same road with street furniture and durability is started by NDDC at a cost of 125 million per kilometer. Izeyamu's friends company, as lobbied by Izeyamu, planted flower with Oshomole along Ring Road with little at Fatin at a whopping cost of over 900 million. The Uronigbe Road, all the contractors who bidded for such road bidded within the range of 4.8 billion. Centraco, a company that never bidded for such contract, who were never part of the bidding process, got the contract. They went to go and call him, the Centraco, come and do this work. And it was approved at the cost of 8 billion. 8 billion. At a cost of 8 billion. The question now is, what happened to the balance 3.2 billion naira? Do you know what is 3.2 billion naira? 1 billion naira, 500 naira notes can possibly close this hotel room that I am in. If you load just 1 billion, it will close it. 500 naira notes. Oshomole regime collected 3.2 billion outside the cost of bidding for the contract. Now, let's do this with more extensive research. Please oblige me with the opportunity so that we'll be giving you real details. Let me call someone to bring me something. Let me call someone to bring me something so that so when criminals are coming out to tell you fake stories, tell them to stop deceiving you because you are more intelligent than them. I bet me with your phone. I'm with your phone. I not connect you down with network. I want to show something. I did my room. I'm not come here. Now, ask. When such elements begin to tell you story, ask them, where did they work? Which farm in Papa carry, or which company in Papa get where he inherit, or which work in work? Excuse me. Look up. Which company in Papa get? Mr. Imalige, second scene. If you try the same comment on my post again, believe me, I will not tell you what I will do next. But just believe me, I will take appropriate action. No, I want to go. I want to show them something. Now, ask them, where did they work? Where did he work? I am glad today that no. Please give me some minutes. Okay, I want to show you guys. So where did he walk? Oshomole renovated what's the name of this school? Idia College, at a cost of 500 million. That money is enough to renovate 30 schools. 30 schools. But Oshomole spent 500 million in renovating just one school. To date, no gadget, nothing, apart from superficial embellishments. Well organized chairs in the classroom, which is true. Go and check the lab, nothing. Come here, let me show you this detail. This is your phone, you have to scroll. Take me to normal site. Let me open the Google, not be that area. Please, I want to show you something. Browser, go your browser. This same man is telling you today that he sold a bad product. The question now is, who is a bad product between the both of them? Oshomole printed common question paper at a cost of 250 million. Just a question paper at a cost of 250 million. Obaseki came and he said, no, I cannot do the same. We must ensure we do things rightly. The man now went to print that same question paper at a cost of 30 million naira. Those who were busy stealing the 220 million were angry that a sitting governor under the leadership of Obaseki is preventing them from taking over the collective resources of Edo State. I don't understand this. Your phone. Share spot for me. Share spot for me for this one. I would have shared those spot through this, but no. Now, they started crying. They started crying because that free Egunje, when they still knock on the, ask the whole of them, including me, where join fight the governor in the past, say, why did we fight? Why did we fight? Ask them. You don't use spot. You're supposed to see me there. Ask them all, why did they fight? It is purely stomach infrastructure. More would not even use English repair and say stomach infrastructure. they did not allow us to jump into the treasury. What was our grievances? Like my grievances was that under Oshomole watch as a governor, I was fighting him. I know see chance they benefit. He begin to benefit some certain people. Now this one will see suffer put. He come now. He not let me enter treasury. I no agree. That was my fight. Me supposed to enter treasury. The way we Oshomole put those other people for treasury. Well, of them they chop the money. Me supposed to join chop. Me not me when nearly dancing I don't agree. Obaseki not the trial. He leave me. I was crying. That is exactly the same cry that others were crying. But the other one, their cry was different from mine. Their own be say, man, we wait for the shop government money. This man said, no, no, agree more chop this money. We not go grow. We must go to the shop government money. Me we not learn work and not go school. I not learn work and not go school. Now government money I want to chop the man. They prevent me. That was the cry of those in the other divide. Why the likes of Father Oshomole is, hey God, I brought this man for me to be able to control him and to be able to eat the money continuously. This man has prevented me. I must remove him. I must remove him. Why Yamu's own is, I must be governor. I must be governor. When I was the chief of staff, when I was the SSG, I know how much I collected. Despite the fact that I intelligently collected all this money, I need to be in charge. They all bought government property. I need to be, if I not enter, I don't agree. That one desperation at the highest. I felt talk one word in the past. I say, if they tell that one, say, see what you go do for you to be governor, he will do it. That is in a lie. People think say we job by one talk. But some few days ago, in a donut, a pastor turned himself to Islamic believer. He want to deceive people. He said a traditional this thing. Whereas when they want to give you, we hear Rabbana, Atina, Rabbanana, Atinata, the normal prayer. Islamic way. They give unto you. You quickly rush on. Because you see, say people begin attacking. Because you see, people begin attacking. He ran again to the church. To the form preaching. Who you they deceive. See, that is why I am saying Isaiah. I know him well. O maguwegwa o nikugeria. O maguwegwa o nikugeria. So Mary said is a bona ikugaria. Mary said is a bona ikugaria. Mary said is a bona ikugaria. Walareo nadogave baba Obaseki. Wayalare dore baba na o Obaseki ne wahiye ogahi omonosiagie no dodoledo wesi wawese avetene na uno support evi ekena enige enilagi wawese Obaseki Godwin Enorelase. He is here to fix a better do. I challenge Zayamu. I challenge Oshomole and any other. to accuse Obaseki of corruption. They can't. Godwin Obaseki now we want for governorship carry go. Everybody vote Obaseki carry come. Now you will go vote to make you carry go. Edo people say make you carry come. Bubaka people say make you carry go. Ego people say make you carry come. Oredo people say make you carry go. Evo Imi say make you carry come. Edo Central say make you carry go. Edo North say make you carry come. Bubaoka people say make you carry go. Everybody say make you carry come. Usakweno what they say make you carry go. Obaseki carry come. Now you will go vote to make you carry come. Now the truth, they are only being desperate. The truth must be said. And by the power of our ubiquitous God, Imayaka Bina you boy Kega. Imayaka Bina you boy Kega. There is no way they can defeat us. There is a Latin terminology that states, qui platetor, solo sedit. He who owns the land owns what is fixed and attached on the land. We remain firm, we remain resolute, and let me say this. This is to all Togbarians, Ogbane worldwide. We are seeing the light that win, but we will not take it as if we win. We are going to fight into victory. No giving up. You don't put me. Okay. We are going to fight into victory. We don't say because it don't clear, more rest. No. Let's fight. And I said it from the initial stage. I said, when you are playing football game, as the football game is going on, you will not wait to say, it's now I have won, let me stop. You must fight and play and play. Immediately you set the ball rolling till the end, till you hear the final whistle. So that is the same way we are going to act. We will not relent. We will not stop. We will not pause. We will fight and fight and fight and fight and fight till we hear the final whistle from my neck. Stop fighting, you have won. Oh, stop. We'll say, okay. Magbina the boy Kegane. Say, make we just begin to say, and don't worry now, you see how people they follow us, everybody there with us. No. We must fight till the end. No stop. As the Coordinator General Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide, I am not speaking for myself. I am speaking the message of those that sent me. On our part, we are determined, we are resolute, we are focused, and we've already concluded before now that the fight must continue. I've told you all, and I'm going to repeat it again. Our activities, a single dime from the government is not part of our activities. We are sponsoring ourselves under the aegis of Edo Diaspora Connect worldwide. You are what God says you are. Godwin, you are what God says you are. You are a winner and not a loser. You are what God says you are. According to Shomole's song. Isiamu, you are what God says you are.
By your record.
You are what God says you are.
By your stealing.
You are what God says you are.
You are God says you are.
By your stealing 700 million.
Is it Yamu? You are what God says you are.
700 million.
You are what God says you are.
You are a loser and not a winner. You are what God says you are. A said pastor openly came out to tell people to go and attack polling booths from polling booths. On Sunday, you stand on the pulpit to tell, although everybody know, people here by the one you go to church, no man, maybe freestyle day. You know, these days there are some churches, when you tell people, say, when you tell women, say, stop putting on trousers, they might not go to the church again. So they know, say, that church will give the opportunity to tell them misbehave, so they want to be there. Obaseki tell you you no hear. Oyegu tell you you no gree. Osakweno Kwode tell you you no hear. Ebaso tell you you no gree. When your eyes go clear, oh they know they telling person. They know they telling person. Yeah, they know they telling person. When your eye go clear, oh they know they telling person. They know they telling person. Yeah, they know they telling person. Decorum, please. Decorum. Now, we are set for the Edo Central Day 2 campaign under the aegis of Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide. We promise ourselves to be with the governor in the 192 wards across Edo State. We promise to remain with the governor in the 192 wards across the Tiris Unitarian District of Edo State. And we also promise that we do not need a dime from the government to do what we are doing today. Under the aegis of Edo Diaspora Connect Worldwide, we have been sharing stationaries and will continue to do. And on our part, education is our topmost priority, and when school resumes, you will see what Edo Diaspora Connect will do in Edo State. We have agreed as a group that will continue to complement the effort of government. And the truth of the matter is very simple. We bless our members around the world. We bless Edos in the diaspora. We bless Edos at home. But greatest thanks goes to our ubiquitous God for making it possible for us to wake up every day to fight to defend the interest of the Ragtag. For making it possible for us to wake up every day to fight to defend the interest of the Jektangs. For making it possible for us to wake up every day to fight for the interest of the Olopoloi in our society. The Aminukanu Talakawas. We are what God says we are. In a nutshell, on our part as a group, we will not begin to speculate. We will not begin to preempt. But we are waiting for the emergence of Governor Godwin Obaseki. Then you will know what Edo Diaspora Connect really stands for. No noise. 4 + 4 Ogba. Day breaks in the morning. The governor is always surprised to see us in his campaign. Yeah, these boys come when it's not a, how we take the hotel, how we take the nothing. We don't ask. No, we don't need it. And the truth is, 95% of everyone moving with him in this campaign are on a selfless service. You are what God says you are. Godwin, you are what God says you are. You are a winner and not a loser. You are what God says you are. Oshomole said, who said God will not win? Who said God will not win? Obaseki has been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that he is an academic gladiator. He has been able to prove beyond reasonable doubt that he is a fast learner. If Oshomole can break Godfather in Edo, we will never allow him to assume the position of Godfather in this Edo state. This Ogbonge Edo state, women for TI. I just want to be laconic and direct to the point today. I remain my humble self, your noble right activist, Comrade Stanley Usaze Osakwe-Nokwode. And I urge you all to follow us. If we can live the governor's activities as far as the campaign is concerned, we will do if the network allows. But if we cannot live it, we'll give you updated pictures and videos. It will not be like them where they go to put motor for Isa Orunigbe, go Biaruku, go to park people 30,000. We don't do that. You will see the passion. Just wait as we continue to update you with the campaign activity of the Obaseki administration. Thank you very much once again. It's me, your brother, your friend, a renowned human rights activist in Edo State, a politician by excellence, Odogu Special. Do you have the Ogakare ticket go music?
I think I have it.
Play it for me, let me rock. Put on the phone there. I need to rock. Let's practice Oguduweri victory. Let's practice that first. Play that music for me. They wanted to oppress us. They wanted to intimidate us. We came out and said, no. Oga carry ticket go. Oga carry ticket go.
Did you shoot that video every day?
Yeah, no. Okay. Play the normal song. Anywhere progress there, Edo people there. Anywhere progress there, Obaseki there. Oga carry ticket go. Oga carry ticket go. Anywhere progress there, Edo people there. Anywhere progress there, Obaseki there. Now my brother from the last side now come about Obaseki. He said, Egbegawo no popedo, Egbegawo. I just sing that other song. And he said, do not buy you, Egbegawo. Egbegawo no popedo, Egbegawo. Osakwe-Nokwode hamu wewe maho, Egbegawo. About Obaseki. Egbegawo no popedo, Egbegawo. About Obaseki hamu wewe maho, Egbegawo. Egbegawo no popedo, Egbegawo. Let me get that music, let me roll. Put on.
If we don't be PDP, we don't go vote any other party. We don't go vote. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, I say carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin dey, na there we dey go. Anywhere shy we dey, na there we dey go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin dey, na there we dey go. Anywhere shy we dey, na there we dey go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin dey, na there we dey go. Anywhere shy we dey, na there we dey go. Obaseki, Godwin Obaseki, Philip Shaibu, 4+4, Togba,
He must talk back.
he must to back, back. Oga, ticket go. Oga, I say carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin dey, na there we dey go. Anywhere shy we dey, na there we dey go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin dey, na there we dey go. Anywhere shy we dey, na there we dey go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Oga, make you carry your ticket go. Anywhere Godwin dey, na there we dey go. Anywhere shy we dey, na there we dey go. Obaseki, Godwin Obaseki, Philip Shaibu, 4+4, Togba, he must Togba, he must Togba, Papa no fear,
No fear.
Mama no fear, if they want to kill us make we die. We no go force them to come thief again, yo. Papa no fear, Mama no fear, if they want to kill us make we die. We no go force them to come thief again, yo. Brother no fear, sister no fear, if they want to kill us make we die. We no go force them to come thief. Godwin Obaseki, Godwin Obaseki, better come from where they try you. We go vote on them again and again. Godwin Obaseki, Godwin Obaseki, better come from where they try. We go vote on them again and again. Them they plan to thief and go, thief and go, thief and go. Come chop and run, belly full, yourself, all progressive groups.
So thank you very much. I'm Usapuna holding at a big bag for now. Don't hesitate to follow us as we give you updates of what is obtainable in the Joe Center. Thank you. Bye.
Help us share this video and make you also let us know what you think. For everything we Comrade Sterling don't talk for this video, let us know what you think. Go to comment section, make you put on for there. Thank you for watching down ARG YouTube.